G'day everyone, just a bit of an update. I thought it's time to do a bit more on the diff for the old 6x6 Cruiser. So for those of you who have been following along at home, I know it's been a while since I put a video up, but I had a few things on. Now what we'll do is we'll get straight into it, and I'll just show you a bit more of the jig that for setting up the rear pinion of the, aligning the rear extension housing that's coming out the back of the diff. So anyway, here we go. Right, so the old line boring tool, the bar that we use to do all the holes and the axle tubes and all that, it gets another life again. So we put these cones on that we use for other jobs. That'll go on there. We get the front assembly of for the front pinion. Whack another one in there. Right, so those two cones lock tight. I've got this collar locked on so that they can't push down the shaft. Then this bolt, this washer, screw in there to put pressure on the cones up against this collar. So give her a tap to
now, is that something that's actually going to need a tension bar at some point too?
No. Now, so that's locked there. So that is perfectly in line now, the shaft, with the bearings where the pinion would be. So I might flip that this way so that people can see what's going on the back. But that goes in through the back. I'll work this way so you can see a bit. That goes in like that. You'll pass me that hammer.
Yep.
Wherever it went.
Yep, wherever you put it.
Over here. So.
Oh, I moved over here. Oh.
Thank you. Right. Line up those holes. Oh, yeah.
We do our own quacks here.
Yeah. Quack, quack. Oh. For fuck's sake. That's not. hole we've been using. I've got to tap that one out. Clean it up. That's better.
Oh, jeez. The shell held it shut well.
No, that's where I want it.
Oh, is it?
I want to punch the beam. Right. Let's make sure that we haven't loosened anything. There, see, come loose. Right. Let's put a bit more on that. Right.
Oh, rock solid. Yep.
Rigid.
Good stuff.
So, right, so that's that bit. Now this is how I'll be disconnecting my rear diff, the drive. So I made these up. These. Remember which way they go. Well, it's not that one. Right. Nice tight fit in there. Twist it round. She's locked up, she's tight. This one goes in where this bearing goes. Tight fit, neat fit. This ring. You'll see how this works in a minute. I'll line up. Right. So that'll go like that. That'll bolt on. There.
Oh, shit.
Nearly got my safety boots. Right, neat. Neat. Come on. Oh, you dickhead. Right.
Neat. Too neat.
Not neat enough. Right.
Satisfying noise when it pops, though.
Righto. And that'll go on there like that. And that'll be clocked up that way. That goes on, that holds that all in line. So it'll be tack welded there. More housing be fabricated around here. Well, this will be cut out in here to allow the oil back. And easy to clean out if you get metal in there. So have it all cleaned out. And that's how that'll go. And then I'll set up a cable, or might even go air at the moment. to disconnect, connect the rear diff. So yeah, and the rear diff's got another little trick coming, but you'll have to watch later videos, follow the journey, subscribe, and click the bell, and you'll see when I get to the next bit. But anyway, that's how that goes. That sits on there like that. So that's perfectly in line, that pinion going from the tail shaft, come through, drive this diff, come out the back, drive the next diff, or not drive the next diff. So they get wind up going down the road. All right, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, leave comments, do whatever. You know, I'm open to suggestions. Think I'm doing it wrong, tell me I'm doing it wrong. If you think it's good, tell me it's good. I don't care. Any engagements, good engagement. Thank you. No worries.